So today we're going to be doing a split screen effect on iMovie. This is an iMovie tutorial for split screen. So before we officially begin, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, then comment down below what you want to see next from me. It'd really mean a lot to me. So yeah, do all of those things, turn the post notifications on, and yeah, so here we have a picture of a basketball, and I'm going to be doing a basketball and a soccer ball side by side. Okay, so just for this presentation, I'm going to have the basketball here. We're going to have the playhead, which is the line here in the middle, and we're going to do the plus button. We're going to click on the soccer ball, which is the next. We're going to do the 3 dots and the split screen. And so what it is here is the soccer ball kind of in between, so we're going to make it so it's always going to be like that. And I'm just going to pinch, it says pinch to position start, so I'm going to be doing that, and pinch to position end, do that as well, just to make it look a little better. And right now, the basketball is pretty big. It doesn't really make a difference. If you did want it to make it smaller, then you would have more background rather than more of the actual image, but you can change that easily. So what you could do here is click on some of these settings, and you can have it like this, where it's up and down, side to side. You could do different things, and that is what split screen is. And we can also change it to picture-in-picture, which you would have the soccer ball inside of the basketball, and you can drag that to whatever you would like. And you can also do cutaway, which is cutting a specific part of it, like so. Right now we're going to do split screen, and actually, one of my favorite tools to use on iMovie is green and blue screen. In another video, I will do that because it takes a little more explanation. But I will definitely show you guys that, and that will be a good video. So if you want to see that soon, please comment, and I will make sure to make that happen. It's a great tool, and it can be very helpful for a lot of people. So that is your video on how to make split screen. A lot of people find this very useful in specific scenarios. You're probably not going to need to have a soccer ball side by side with a basketball very often, but you know, if you are, then you do you. So you can also add text to this, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have not subscribed already, please do that and turn off the post notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Please like this video and subscribe, and comment down below what I should do next, because again, it is super important for me to know what you guys want me to do. So yeah.